Enhance your ride and add bigger tires with the 3.5-inch sports suspension system from Rancho for the Jeep Wrangler JL Unlimited. Rancho has thrown some new technology at this suspension system that puts it over the top. The Rancho RS 9000 XL shocks with the brand new Dynamic Rebound Spring or DRS technology. Now what does that mean? The DRS technology is a unique internal system that includes precisely tuned metal spring and fortified interior construction. As the shock goes in the rebound, it absorbs the impact, giving you a smoother ride. DRS also helps give you more control, reduce body roll, and prevent rod overextension inside the shock. With the 3.5-inch sports system, you get a pair of front and rear corner-specific progressive rate coil springs that have been specifically tuned to produce superior comfort for everyday driving and amazing off-road performance. To maintain travel integrity, this system includes the front 3-inch and rear 2-inch bump stop extensions, as well as front sway bar adapter brackets and an e-brake line relocation bracket. While you can use the 3.5-inch sports system as is for a great ride, Rancho offers some additional control arm options for an even better off-road and on-road experience, like the geometry correction brackets and the adjustable control arms. The 3.5-inch sports suspension system from Rancho for the Jeep Wrangler JL Unlimited is backed by a limited lifetime warranty.